Do you even need a Kindle? Isn't reading from physical books a better choice? Well, in this video, you'll get all the answers you are looking for. In a world dominated by technology, the Kindle has emerged as a popular gadget for book lovers. But is it worth investing in one? And the short and easy answer to that is yes, owning a Kindle is definitely worth it. Let me explain. You can somewhat compare it with Spotify. Like back in the days, we had to collect plenty of records and CDs of music albums physically. But Spotify eased that up and it gives us access to millions of songs in one place. A Kindle is somewhat similar to that. So if you got your answer on why you should buy a Kindle, then thanks for watching. Please leave a like before leaving. But if you're still here and you would like to know more about the Kindle, then let me tell you. In case you're new over here, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I also try to make videos. So what is this Kindle exactly? It's basically an electronic reader by Amazon. Its sole purpose is reading digital books and some text-based content, but yeah, mostly books. You must be thinking, what's so special about this? You can just read an ebook on your phone or even an iPad. Well, I'm glad you asked. Just take a look at this. The reading experience on Kindle is the closest you can get to an actual book. One of the main advantages of the Kindle is the electronic ink display. It kind of mimics the look of printed text on paper. This technology reduces eye strain and allows you to read more comfortably. So you can read books on your Kindle before going to bed. You can make the brightness really low, and also it has that yellow filter or night shift mode as Apple like to call it. It does not really emit blue light, but you can still apply the filter on top of that just to make sure you get a sound sleep. Alright, let's unbox the Kindle real quickly. You of course get the Kindle itself, an USB Type-C cable, and of course some paperwork. Let's quickly finish off the setup process. It's really tough to explain the screen of a Kindle to someone who has never used a Kindle, to be honest. When I first told about the Kindle to my parents, they were like, you already have an iPad, bro. They had to experience it hands-on to believe that it's different from an iPad. Alright, so here are some reasons on why you should actually buy a Kindle. I already gave you the Spotify example. It's like having hundreds of books in your back pocket always. Other than that, books on Kindle are often lower in price compared to the physical books, and they keep running sales time to time. If you are a subscriber of Amazon Prime, then you also get many titles included in your Prime membership. They call that Prime Reading. Other than that, Amazon also offers a subscription called Kindle Unlimited. Many major titles are included in that subscription. Kindles also have a super long battery life, so you don't have to worry about them running out of power in the middle of a reading session. It can last up to weeks on a single charge. When it's on sleep mode, it basically looks like a minimal photo frame, by the way. It has a dictionary built in, so you can just long press on a word and it will tell you its meaning. Additionally, you can load up dictionaries in different languages as well. It's really easy to highlight a text in Kindle. On top of that, it also shows you which phrases and texts most people have highlighted. So yeah, that's kind of helpful at times. Kindles are created keeping only reading in mind, so it lacks basic features. It has a very basic web browser. You can just do some basic Google searches on it. You can't play YouTube on it. Believe me, I've tried. Alright, I agree it's not designed for watching videos. It doesn't even have speakers. That will basically help you read your books distraction free. But what about Medium? I couldn't even reach the login page of medium.com. I really wanted to read articles on Medium on this, but nah. The Kindle store offers a vast collection of ebooks including bestsellers, classic and niche titles. You can instantly download your books without having to wait for shipping or visiting a bookstore. The Kindle's adjustable font sizes and glare-free display makes reading comfortable for people of all ages, even in bright sunlight. And if you're enjoying this video so far, then I'd really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button. Alright, before we proceed, I'd like to discuss this with you. Which Kindle should you buy? There are various models out there, so which one would work the best for you? I think there are a total of 5 versions of Kindle as much as I can recall. You have the original Kindle, the Kindle Paperwhite, that's what I'm using by the way, the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, the Kindle Oasis, and the newly launched Kindle Scribe. It has a stylus by the way. Let me give you a brief about all of them so that you can easily decide on which Kindle you want to buy. The original Kindle is still one of the best choice. It's really cheap. It costs $119.99 US or 999 Indian rupees. This one is the most value for your money. However, if you have a few extra bucks to spare, then I highly recommend that you check out the Kindle Paperwhite. That's the one I'm using as well. The Kindle Paperwhite has a better display compared with the Kindle. It also has a slightly bigger display with 6.8 inches and it has a great battery life. You can get a battery life up to 10 weeks actually. The Kindle Paperwhite is also splash proof, so clumsy people like me can benefit from it. It costs $169.99 US and $14,999 in India. There is another variant called the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. There's not much of a difference, to be honest. It has a bigger storage with 32 gigs. It also has wireless charging and auto brightness. To be honest, I've turned off the auto brightness in my iPhone as well. I prefer managing the brightness manually, and I didn't really want to pay extra for the wireless charging, considering the fact that I would also have to buy the wireless charger for that matter. All Kindles have a great battery life, so you won't really be charging them much, hence I don't really see the point. But if you need the wireless charging and the auto brightness, then get the signature edition. It costs $189.99 and $17,999 in India. Next up is the Kindle Oss. This has a cellular variant as well. You can run it on 4G network. The Oss is again slightly larger than the Paperwhite. It has an extension on the right side. This will help you grip the Kindle more comfortably. It also has 2 page turn buttons. All the previous Kindles that I mentioned only had one physical button, that was the power button. Hence you might get a satisfying feel turning pages using the physical buttons. It also has a few color options. The price of the Oss is $249.99 and $21,999. The last one is Kindle Scribe. It has this gigantic screen and also this stylus. If you like taking book notes while reading, then this is probably for you. Portability wise, I don't think it's the best option. I have been using the iPad Pro for many years now, but every time I travel with it, I feel that I should have just bought the iPad Air instead. If you want to read your Kindle at home, then it would be fine, but while traveling, I'm pretty sure the Kindle Scribe will turn out to be a big headache. It's also the costliest Kindle so far. It has a price tag of $339.99 and it's not available on Amazon India as of now. So I'm not really sure about the price here in India. It might be priced around $27,999. I read that in some article somewhere, but I'm not really sure. It would be best if you just wait for it to arrive on Amazon itself. If you are looking for the midpoint of all of these, then Kindle Paperwhite is the best option so far. So if you love reading on the go, then the Kindle is a great option for you. Here are some limitations of the Kindle. No matter how much digitized we get, there's nothing like owning and reading physical books. You're gonna miss up on the feel of paper books and especially their smell. I literally love the smell of new books. They can be so satisfying, to be honest. Also, some people find it difficult to focus on reading on a screen, so make sure that is not you. Most Kindles offer grayscale displays, which can be limiting for content that relies heavily on color, like comic books and magazines for examples. While Kindle is great for reading, but if you need a versatile features like web browsing and certain apps, then this might not be suitable for you. Like I said, I really wanted to read articles from Medium, but sadly, nah. If you have an attachment for physical books, make sure you're comfortable transitioning into digital reading. In conclusion, whether you should buy a Kindle or not depends on your reading habits, preferences and priorities. If you value portability and an extensive electronic book collection and also a distraction-free reading experience, then a Kindle might be an excellent investment for you. However, if you need a device for a wide range of tasks or have a strong attachment to physical books, you might want to just consider other options. And also, like I previously mentioned, the Kindle Paperwhite is your best bet. I hope this video has helped you weigh the pros and cons effectively. Now, if you would like to check out the best note-taking apps you can get, then click here. Thanks for watching and please consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos, and I hope to see you there.